So let me show you how to add the special assistance service when booking your return flight from Poland after the operation. So first, when booking the flights, let's find our connection. Let's say it would be, for example, the connection between United Kingdom, London, Stansted it is, and then we fly to Poland and we choose Katowice. We'll be flying on the 8th, which is Monday, and returning on the 22nd, one adult, and then we go to search. First, we are on the Ryanair website because there are plenty of flights between the UK and Katowice in Poland with Ryanair, but later on I will also show you how to do it with Wizz Air. Here we have the panel. We see the different flights option. Let's choose the one, arrival 3:30. Then let's choose the return flight. Here, when we scroll down, we see also the 4 options in terms of baggage allowance. Let's go here for the checked 20 kilos. And here you can either log in, but just for the purposes of adding special assistance, I will click on log in later. And here I'm adding the passenger who is traveling. So let's say it will be John Smith. And here is the button that is interesting for us, need special assistance. So we press with the left mouse button here, and a new little window opened. It asks us if we need a special assistance out and back. Here on the right bottom corner, we choose different for return flight. The first one we leave empty, and the second one, so flying back, see here the plane is facing the left side, which means it's flying back from Katowice to London Stansted. We choose the option and we scroll down. Assistance to seat, including lift on and off the plane. We choose this one, and we hear another question appears. Are you bringing your own wheelchair? No, you will just have crutches. And then you go to continue. Here it asks us also to fill it. Then we go for no assistance, and we can proceed to continue. Later on, you choose your seats, log in, etc. Now let's try to do the same with Wizz Air, as this is also another most popular airline between the UK and Poland. So here we are flying from London Gatwick, also to maybe to Krakow. Right, with Krakow. Let's fly on the same dates as before. One adult, search. Here we also choose the flights. Here we'll go to travel light, no luggage needed. I'm just showing it so you know where to add assistance. Here I go to continue when I have my flights chosen. John Smith. Oh, let's leave it Smith. Then we have mail. And do you need special assistance at the airport? Yes. Traveling with special assistance. Are you bringing your own wheelchair? No. Can you walk up and down stairs unaided? No. Can you walk around the cabin of an aircraft unaided? Yes. And here we need to also give the consents for them to process our data. And then we can continue to booking the luggage, etc.